Guys, I had to cut some people off just because they smoke and drink. I don't want that shit near me no more, right? Guys, I used to smoke. I haven't smoked in like 5 years now, right? I haven't smoked in like 5 years now because that shit wasn't really doing nothing for me. It wasn't benefiting me. It wasn't helping me get to the next level. I'm trying to get to the next level. I'm not trying to stay at the bottom with the peasants. I'm not trying to stay at the bottom. No. The only way you're going to get to the top if you put the fucking work in, if you fucking grinding. I don't care what nobody says. Smoking and drinking makes you lazy. Smoking and drinking makes you lazy. It don't make you want to do nothing, right? When I was smoking, bro, all I want to do was just chill. Just sit down. Don't do nothing productive. Just eat food, watch TV. That's all I was doing when I was smoking, right? It wasn't benefiting me. Guys, you do know, right? Nobody is saving us, right? You do know that, right? Nobody's saving us. Your mama not saving you. Your daddy not saving you. Your cousin, uncle, auntie, sister, brother, they not saving you. They don't give a fuck about your problems. Yeah, they might cuddle you and shit like, oh, this and that and third. But after a while, they gonna get sick of it. They gonna like, damn, grow the fuck up. Be a man. Take care of your fucking self. Right? Guys, this world is cold, bro. Nobody gives a fuck about your problems. I don't care that you had a hard life. I don't care that it was a struggle for you. I don't care, right? Nobody cares, right? So stop smoking and drinking because you sad and depressed, right? Because that's going to always make you sad and depressed, right? And that's the reason why you're a fucking alcoholic. That's the reason why you're a fucking addict, a weed head, right? Stop smoking no fucking cigarettes. That shit is bad for you. Right? It's crazy to me every time I see somebody that smokes cigarettes, like every 5 minutes, they gotta smoke a cigarette. Another one, another one, another one. They just going through a pack in 2 days. Like that's crazy. Your lungs is fucked up. Your lungs is black. Your insides is black. Your organs, everything black. Right? It's black. Guys, your organ is supposed to be pink, red. You know what I'm saying? It ain't supposed to be fucking black. Like, come on, guys. Stop doing shit because you see other people doing it. Be a leader. That's the reason why you're not getting no women too. That is the exact reason why you're not getting no women. Because you monkey see, monkey do. Right? Oh, that nigga, he smoking, drinking. Oh, the dude I look up to, he smoking, drink. So let me smoke a drink too because it's cool. No, dummy. Right? That's why that girl don't like you in the first place. Because you doing it because somebody else doing it. Right? I'm going to keep it real with y'all. Most of y'all smoke and drink because y'all see other people smoke and drink. Right? Guys, that shit is bad for you. I don't care what your sister, your brother, your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your teacher. I don't care what none of them say. That shit is bad for you, bro. That shit is literally bad for you. You inhaling smoke, right? That shit is not good for you, bro. It is not, right? Smoking and drinking makes you lazy. Smoking and drinking lowers your testosterone, right? The reason why you fat as hell, the reason why you skinny as hell, the reason why you have low T, the reason why you have low drive, you don't have no hustle in you, no ambition in you, is because you smoking and drinking. Guys, we only get one life. We only get one life. So you just gonna waste it on smoking and drinking? You would rather spend your last penny on some weed or some cigarettes or some alcohol than go putting that shit towards an investment. Right? Or go and putting that towards some program to help you make more money or to help you get better or mindset. You know what I'm saying? Make you better, make you an overall better person. You would rather spend your last smoking and drinking than doing that, helping you better yourself. Right? Come on, guys. Stop being a fucking follower. Stop being a loser. Stop being a fucking loser. Stop. That shit is not getting you nowhere. Right? The smoking and drinking is holding you back. Bro, you could be way further than where you at now if you just stop smoking and drinking. Ever since I stopped smoking, guys, I became way better, right? I have more drive. I have more hustle in me, right? I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Every time I see somebody smoke or drink, I just look at them as a dumbass, right? It's cool if you drink here and there, but bro, if you drinking that shit, if you drinking liquor every weekend, every day, if you smoking every day, smoking every weekend, I'm looking at you as a fucking dumbass. I'm looking at you as a dumbass because what is you celebrating, right? You not celebrating shit. You was the same person last year. You was the same person from last year and you in the same predicament from last year. So what the fuck is you celebrating? You trying to get high all the damn time. You a fucking bum. You trying to get high all the time. You trying to get lit all the time. You a fucking bum. Be lit off life. Be high of life, right? Be happy that you alive, right? That substance and shit, that shit ain't making you a better person. That shit ain't making you a better man. This shit not, bruh. It's not. And for all the ladies too, stop smoking and drinking too. This goes for everybody. This not just directly towards men. This is for everybody. Stop smoking and drinking. Right? The reason why your hygiene, the reason why your fucking breath stink, the reason why nobody want to fucking talk to you because your breath fucking stink. You smoking all the damn time. You smell like smoke all the damn time. You smell like cigarettes. That shit don't smell good. That's the reason why nobody wants to talk to your ass, because you stink. That shit don't smell good, bro. It don't. Your nails all black, your lips all black, your lips all chapped. You fucking fat. You got a beer gut. You know what I'm saying? That shit is not attractive. That shit is not attractive. That shit is sad. Right? Stop doing the shit, guys. Stop doing it. If your friends, if your family members peer pressuring you to do it, bro, you need to cut them off. You need to cut them off because they don't want to see you grow. Simple as that. They want you to stay at the fucking bottom right where they at too. Right? I'm not trying to be at the fucking bottom. The bottom is fucking boring. The bottom is fucking sadness. Sadness and depression. Right? I'm trying to get to the top. I'm trying to take care of my whole family. Right? You cannot take care of your whole family if you smoking and drinking all the damn time, because you're going to be fucking lazy. You're not going to want to do nothing. You're not going to want to do nothing because you high as hell or you drunk as hell. Right? Guys, be better, bro. Be better. That shit is not helping you get to the fucking next level. We only got one life to live. I don't think y'all understand that. We only have one life to live, and you just wasting it on smoking and drinking. Right? You wasting on smoking and drinking. It'd be different, bro, if you got millions in the bank account. It'd be different if you got trillions in the bank account. But, bro, you barely making it and you smoking and drinking. You barely making it and you smoking and drinking. Like, guys, that don't make sense. That don't make sense. You living fucking backwards. You living backwards. The reason why your friends, the reason why your family members at the fucking bottom is because they smoke and drink. They'd rather spend their last little money on smoking and drinking or drugs, whatever. Right? They not spend their last little penny on something that can get them to the fucking next level. That's why you're not growing. That shit is holding you back, bro. It's holding you back. You smoking and drinking, that shit makes you look old after a while, especially if you're doing it every fucking day. That shit is going to make you look old. It's going to make you look old. I know some dudes that's in their 20s, they looking like they 40. No bullshit. 40, 50, no bullshit, because they smoking and drinking every day. They smoking and drinking every day. And I'm just looking at them like, you a fucking fiend. You a fucking addict. Like, get away from me. I don't want to be around you. Guys, I had to cut people off because I don't want to be around that. I don't. I'm sorry. I don't want to be around that no more. I don't. Yes, I grew up around that. Yes, I grew up in the hood and this and that. I don't want to be around that, bro. I don't. Because you only got one life to live. You only get one life to live, right? You only get one life to live. Live it the fuck up. What the fuck is you high for? What the fuck is you drinking all this damn liquor for? Like, that shit is not making you a better man. That shit is not making you a better person. It's not. The reason why you don't got no money is because you would rather spend your last on drugs. Simple as that. You take away drugs, I promise you, your bank account will look way better, way fatter, way bigger, right? If you just take away drugs. It's crazy to me. People gotta get drunk. People gotta get high to have a fun time. Like, what the fuck? You gotta get high. You gotta get lit to have fun. What that tells you about yourself, you gotta get high. You gotta get lit to have fun, right? You just can't have fun being around people that's productive. You can't have fun just living life. You gotta get high first. You a fucking addict. You a fucking bum. You a fucking bum. Literally, you a fucking bum, right? And guys, like, drinking and smoking, bro, that shit does nothing for you. The reason why a lot of y'all dudes catching all these cases and shit is because you trying to get lit with the girl. You trying to smoke with the girl. You trying to get drunk with the girl, right? And you know how bitches get. You know how bitches get, right? The next day they feel bad for sleeping with you. Now you got to charge. They telling the police that you drugged her, right? Because your dumb ass want to smoke and drink with her, right? Right? That shit is bad for you, bro. That shit is a fucking setup. It shit is a fucking setup. Smoking and drinking is made for you to fail. It's made for you to fail. Guys, I know a lot of dudes, they got to smoke and drink to have fun. I know a lot of dudes smoke a drink to get laid. The fuck is that? You can't be sober and talk that shit in her ear. You can't be sober and look her dead in her eyes and be confident. You can't be sober doing that. You gotta smoke and drink to do that. You're a fucking bozo. You're a fucking weirdo. Come on, guys. Be better, bro. That smoking and drinking is for the birds, bro. Let that shit go. Let that shit go. If you trying to live long, bro, and healthy, bro, let that shit go. That shit is not doing nothing for you. It's not doing nothing for you. Every year you talking about this gonna be my year. This gonna be my year to make more money. This gonna be my year to level up. But you still in the same predicament from last year and the year before that and the year before that because you smoking and drinking. You spending your last on that. You spending your last on drugs, bro. If you have an addiction, do something that's going to help you better your life. Go to the fucking gym, right? Go to the fucking gym, right? Yeah, I know you a fucking addict. You gotta smoke and drink all that, bro. Take that towards the gym. Take all that energy and put that towards the gym and watch how your body change, right? A lot of y'all dudes fat and skinny as hell, scrawny, no muscle on you, no nothing, right? And you mad that you don't get no bitches, right? Like, come on, guys, bro. We gotta be better. We gotta be better. On this channel, I don't just talk about women. I don't just talk about dating. We talking about overall self-improvement. Overall self-improvement. We trying to get to the fucking next level. Right? We is trying to get to the fucking next level. We only got one life to live. I'm trying to get to the next level. I'm trying to take everything the world has to offer. Everything. Right? And if you not doing that, bro, stay at the fucking bottom with the peasants. Stay at the fucking bottom with the roaches, the water bugs. Stay at the fucking bottom with them. Right? Stay at the fucking bottom, sad and depressed and shit. Right? Because as me and the people that's watching me, as we get to the top, we're gonna be happy as hell. Living it up, growing, leveling up. You know what I'm saying? Happy as hell. Take care of our whole family. Right? But guys, you gotta put that shit down though. You have to put that smoking and drinking shit down if you're trying to get to the next level. You have to. That shit's not making you better. Right? If you sad and you depressed, bro, that's why, bro. It's because you smoking and drinking, right? That's the reason why you sad and depressed, because you smoking and drinking, right? Yes, guys, I get sad sometimes, but bro, that shit don't faze me. I don't dwell in that shit. I don't get depressed. I don't, right? Because I don't let that shit bug me. I don't dwell in that shit. If I'm sad about something, I take all that energy and put that towards the gym, making me a better person, right? Putting that shit towards my business, making my business grow even more. You know what I'm saying? You smoking, drinking, nigga, you gonna stay depressed. You gonna stay fucking sad, right? You gonna stay sad and depressed. You gonna stay that way, right? But you gotta cut that shit off if you wanna grow. You gotta cut that shit off if you wanna grow. Right? Put all that energy into something, right? Quit that smoking and drinking. If you got an addiction to smoking and drinking, bro, put that shit towards going to the swimming pool. Be a swimmer, be a golfer, be a basketball player, be a football player, be a coach, take boxing, MMA. Do something to better your life instead of just wasting your life. The fuck is you here for if you just wasting on smoking and drinking? The fuck is you here for? What the fuck is you here for if you just smoking and drinking all your problems away? You a fucking bum. You a fucking loser. Grow up. Grow up. Quit that smoking and drinking. That shit is not making you a better man or a better person. It's not. Right? Do something better, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. I can lead a horse to water, but I can't make y'all motherfuckers drink. You know what I'm saying? Y'all motherfuckers gotta drink the water. I'm giving y'all the fucking water, but y'all gotta drink the shit. Drink it. You know what I'm saying? Drink the water. Right? I can lead a horse to water, but I can't make the horse drink. Alright? But yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, this your boy Daron. I'm out. Peace.